2016 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.